Follow these simple steps to backup your website if you are hosting your website with Godaddy. So follow this step. It's very simple. First, you go to your account, log into your account. After you log in, you click on your name and then select products. On the next page, you move down to the area where you say web hosting. Find web hosting. Select the website and then click on manage. On the next page that opens, click on the cPanel admin, and from there you should see many options, all the options, tools that are included with your account: databases, domain, metrics, software, and security, email, applications, and advanced. All these options are available on your cPanel, included with your account. The one that we are looking for is on the first, is on file. Here you can select to download a full backup if you already have a backup, or you can create a backup. In this case, you can create a backup of your website, also the database. Let's go back to the previous screen, because there are two options. There you have another options, backup wizard. In here you can do your own backup. You can select full backup and follow the steps. Here there is a full backup already. If you want to create a new one, you just select the home directory. The home directory contains all the files of your website. If you want to receive a notification, an email notification after the backup is complete, you can select this option. Otherwise, just click do not send me an email and create the backup. In this case, let me go back to the previous screen, and we're going to download the one that is already there. I create one already. So go back to select backup, and here click on full account backup, and there is the one. That one is already done, so I'm going to download that one. Select the archive file, and then it asks you where you want to keep it. Then you select where you want to put it and save.